Hey everyone, Kent here from On The Move Caravans, and I'm lucky enough to be here with Pete Naylor, our Head of Engineering. Hey Pete, thanks for joining us today.
No problem at all.
So we're here today to answer those questions of how do we do certain things with our chassis and how do we do certain things with our caravan. So one of the questions that gets asked is how do we jack it up? How do we change a tyre? So I'm going to hand over to Pete and he's going to explain and demonstrate the best way to change a tyre on an adventure caravan.
Thank you. So look, it's very simple, but it's a little bit more complicated than your typical van. But some very basic things should be adhered to no matter what type of van you're on. Firstly, you never try to change a tyre unless your van is already hitched up to the tow vehicle. You always chock your opposing wheels, so must be hitched, must be chocked. In our airbag configuration, the single biggest point to remember is where you start. So blow your airbags up to the maximum height. Might take you to an extra 20 psi to get there. When you're there, the airbags will be extended. So you can see this wheel is already underneath the yellow point. So these airbags are fully extended. They're sitting on the end of the shock range. Now I put my jack on. I lift with either the crank or any other tool, and I'm almost there. So engage your tool, loosen the nuts, then lift the tool. And then slip it off, put it back on, and drop down as usual. To get down from there, drop the jack down, take the jack off, stow the jack, take your chocks out, and you're away fine. But the big thing to remember is get to the top of the range of the airbags. If you try to jack without being at the top of the range of the airbags, all your jack will do is lift your airbags out. That's all you'll achieve. So a little bit frustrating if you don't know quite what you're doing with that. That's it, that's as simple as it be.